Hi, I'm Justin Conway. Today I'm going to show you how to insert a row or a column in Microsoft Excel by just using your keyboard. There's actually a few different ways to do this. The easiest way is by selecting your row or column. So for this instance, we'll select column B and then just simply hit Control I. And as you can see, you got a new row, new column there. If you want to insert a new row, let's go over to row 5, Control I. You can see it inserted a new one there. You can also insert multiples by selecting a whole range of area, and then again just select it and you can see it added as many rows as I selected prior to entering that command. Other ways to insert rows and columns are to right click. If you select the same column and right click, or if you're using a laptop like a MacBook, you can put down 2 fingers on the mouse pad and then click with your thumb. That'll allow you to get sort of the right click command prompt up. Not really a command prompt, but the window to select different things, and then click insert from there, and you'll have your new rows that way. Those are multiple ways to insert rows and columns into Microsoft Excel. My name is Justin Conway. Thanks.